channel. It's been a long time since I haven't uploaded anything in my channel, so yeah, so I decided to do a vlog for this one. Today, me and my friends are going to Dzongu in a homestay which is called Munlom. And why we are going out there is that we have a dance video to shoot out there. We have two dance videos. One is on the song Maya, and another is a Hindi song which you will know later. Yeah, that's the song. So yeah, we are about to move from Munlom in a minute. So we'll give you a short. I will give you a short sneak peek of our journey from here to there. So I'm really excited, and my guys out there are also really excited for the dance video shoot and the vlog. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. So we're finally out from Munlom, and now we're heading towards Suntalong. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a short sneak peek of our journey from here to Suntalong and from Suntalong to Vietnam. So stay tuned, guys. Now we reach Suntalong, and from here we are going with another vehicle, and we are waiting for the vehicle right now. So the vehicle will be here in a minute, and then we'll be going up from here up. So how are you feeling, Krishna?
I'm feeling so energetic.
How are you feeling, Abhjit?
Really great, bro. Yo, bro. What's up, bro? It's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, bro.
How are you feeling?
Very cool, guys. Cool.
So I'm gonna get you later. So for now, hasta la vista. So finally, Munlom, we are here, and I'm really excited about this. So actually từ trên ga đi mà nhà có từ ga đi ra đi mà tôi không có đâu nữa thôi. Because here over there, okay, but from here we have to go by walking. So we are just 5 minutes away from there. So we'll see you guys out there. Bye. when my channel back up. Most times this is not all any other susamatan like this on the area. I don't think that most of the yani I'm by Israel by Yoshi Itami or renowned Hununta. He is a very good dancer from Munlom Nature Resort. So what are the dancers to shoot on the I own the way also. So what they also like the also is for my man and any of me hold it so.
Yes. र आज हेर्नुहोस् कस्तो दामी होइन जग्गाहरू पनि हो अब यता चाहिँ अब यहाँ भिडियो सुट हुँदैछ होइन र एक्साइटेड सो मच होइन र आज हामी दामी गर्ने हो होइन केटाहरू हो क्या होइन र अब भिडियोहरू हेरिदिनुहोस् हो मजाले होइन यस्तै हो थ्याङ्क यू
र उहाँले भन्नुहुन्थ्यो खासमा भन्नुहुन्थ्यो हो उहाँ यहाँ फर्स्ट टाइम आनन्द आउँदाखेरि यहाँ वातावरण एकदमै उहाँलाई एकदमै मन परेछ है सो जसले पनि यो भिडियो हेरिरहनु भएको छ अब सबैजनालाई म यही भन्नु चाहन्छु कि go out and learn too much so thank you.
Thank you, thank you. तपाईँले गर्नुहुन्छ नाइस हो आम्बो thank you so much. Could you take a picture from my phone too? अब कहाँ हो तपाईहरु
प्रेमिका ने प्यार से जो भी दे दिया तेरे वास्ते है नीलम जैसा प्रेमिका ने प्यार से जो भी छू लिया तेरे वास्ते है सोने जैसा प्रेमिका को दिल थमानो प्यार को भी स्वर्ग जानो प्यार के संगीत में मोहिनी सुरागनी प्यार के संगीत में मोहिनी सुरागनी
We just finished shooting our first video and now we have 2 videos left in the box so yeah so now we are going to shoot another 2 videos which is I think going to be very good so let's see how it goes yeah we'll see you guys later we just had a short break right now so
It's a popcorn break.
yeah it's a popcorn break yeah we brought our own food
Ready. Hey. Honor काला आएको छ भने भन्दा के हो ब्रदर आज त चाटाक्सी छ त हौ
माया
होइन अनि तिमीलाई मैले भनेको थिएँ त अस्ति अन्त तिमीलाई याद त गर्दैन रहेछस् छोड्दै हो अब म यादै गर्दैन भने चाहिँ किन चाहिँ पछि गरिबस्नु
गर्दैन होला ब्रो बुझ्दैछौ नि तिमी
So we just finished the last video, the shooting of the video of Maya right now. So now I think we have to leave. How you feeling? How you feel throughout the day today, Krishna?
I feel so tired. And finally we are finished our video shoot. So
Yeah,
now it's time to last video of Abhjit today. So let's do it.
So for now, we are leaving Munlom, and we want to thank this host in Munlom. Thank you from the bottom of our heart for giving us this space to shoot our dance video. And we are pretty much sure that we will be coming soon here again. So yeah, goodbye Munlom. Oh, good morning everyone. Good morning. So, it's been a great night here at Dzongu. So today is 25th. I guess 25th or 26th. I don't even know the date. So last night we had to stay here on this place. So yeah, they were very welcoming and they gave us food to eat and this place to stay. So yeah, we had a great night. So today we will be heading towards London. we have to go.
मलाई त आज मुकै गएपछि न हौ
हो न
अँ
we're heading towards Munlom. We'll see you guys
राकेश भाइ त्यहाँ बिजी छ
Alright, so we finally reached Munlom, and it seems like just 5 minutes before that we went to Dzongu and it was like a dream. So yeah, everything went so well. Now
Yo, bro.
we gotta rest now.
Everything going so well. Let's ring the bell.
Alright. Ignore the background. So thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you all enjoyed. Actually, I don't have any idea about how to do a vlog. I just do it randomly. So yeah, I hope you liked it. So and if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe or maybe not subscribe. The video, our next video. Our next video will be out soon on YouTube, so I want you to guys check that out too. But at first, I'll be uploading this vlog and then I'll upload our dance video. So yeah, stay tuned for our dance video too on Abhjit's channel. I'll give the channel description down below in the description. And until next time, everyone take care and we'll see you soon. Bye bye. Peace.